Hello everybody, it's Thomas here, and today we're going to be discussing some awesome hidden iPhone tricks that you probably did not know. All these iPhone tricks are compatible with iOS 14. Anyways, these iPhone tricks are really cool, and most of them are pretty hidden, but let's get right into them. So the first trick, when typing in some text, you can use 3 fingers and pinch to copy, pinch out to paste, or you can tap with 3 fingers to access this cool shortcut menu. And it has all kinds of options: paste, redo, undo, etc. When taking a screenshot, if you want to actually quickly share it, just hold on the screenshot and then choose who you want to share it to instead of opening it up and clicking share, because then you gotta delete it or save it or whatever. Just much quicker to do this. Also, you can click this little plus button and add a magnifier, which is like a little magnifying glass, and you can change its radius and how rotated it is, and you can magnify different things on your screenshot just like this. And if you're drawing on your screenshot, if you're drawing shapes and you want to make them perfect, then just draw the shapes and they might look crappy, but then hold down and it will perfect the shapes automatically to make a perfect star or rectangle or whatever you're making. Next, if you want to make your music louder, there's a really cool trick you can do. So if you open up settings, then you go to your music settings, then there's this section called EQ, and you want to tap on late night. Now whenever you listen to music, it will be much louder. Now for some Safari tricks, if you tap on a link with 2 fingers, it will actually open it up in a new tab. If you tap in the little URL bar, you can type in any text, and then you should see at the very bottom, find, and then the text you typed in, and it will allow you to search for that text on that website. And then if you accidentally close a web page by mistake, then don't worry, just hold down on the plus button and it will allow you to open up your recently closed tabs really easily. Now if you're typing in a long string of numbers or a long equation to the calculator app on your phone, one thing you may not know is if you make a mistake, you can just swipe back and it will act as a backspace or a delete key to delete any of the characters that you typed into the calculator. Now you can also use Spotlight Search to search for things, or you can use it as a unit converter. So for example, I can convert 6 feet to meters. 6 feet is 1.83 meters. Or you can convert currency, all kinds of different things just there in the Spotlight Search, and it's really handy. If your call quality on your iPhone for phone calls doesn't sound good, or you want to improve it in general, then enter enhanced full rate mode by calling *3370 hashtag in your phone app. Please note that this doesn't work on all phone models and it might make your battery a little bit worse. But if you're on an iPhone 12, then another thing you can do is open up settings, go to your cellular settings, tap on cellular data options, voice and data, and you can have all these 3 options: 5G on for the fastest data at all times, 5G auto for faster data but also better battery life, and LTE for slightly slower but still pretty fast data and really good battery life. You don't actually need any special apps to scan a PDF from a document. Just hold down in the Files app, tap Scan Documents, and then hold whatever your document is you want to scan in front of the Files app, and it will automatically actually crop to scan that document into a PDF, which is a really cool thing. So as you can see, I'm holding a rectangle and it's detecting the edges automatically. To easily detect which song is playing, go to Settings, Control Center, and make sure you have music recognition added. Then just tap on this little Shazam music recognition button whenever you want to detect any song that's playing, and it will automatically tell you which song is playing. In an app like Notes, which uses Apple's native table view, you can scroll with 2 fingers to easily select multiple rows in the table. So you can see I'm scrolling with 2 fingers and it's selected multiple rows easily. Alright, those were 15 cool iPhone tips and tricks that I hope you didn't know, and I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and leave a like and subscribe for more. Have a great day.